Hello everyone, good morning. Welcome back to the third tutorial of Dance Monkey. I hope that you practiced the previous two tutorials and I think you know the steps, right? So let's start with the third tutorial where we're gonna learn the main part of the song, right? So let's start with the steps directly, okay? Let's go. Okay, so before we start, I'll just make you listen from where we have to do it, okay? So listen this. Okay, that will last one that we finished. The step goes this now. Stop at 1, 2, 3. And then after that, we have to take some freakouts. Okay, and what is the word? What are the wordings there? That and now I beg to see you. Then just one more time, right? So what we have to do? We have to just walk and take a, just walk, walk, walk. Then as you won't have, freakouts. That it's your choice that how you have to do it, right? At the last step you have to do. One more time, the word goes one more time. Say I. Okay. So what we have to do? So it goes 1, 2. One more time. 5, 6, 7. Go. 1 more and leg cross and open at the same time. Okay. How it goes? 5, 6, 7. Say one more time. Turn and then leg open and just wave and slide on the right. Slide. Pause. Okay. Let's do this again from 5, 6, 7. Say 1, 2, 3. Turn. Pause and wave. Slide. Pause. Now what we have to do? We have to take our legs on toes. We have to stand on toes, and the leg means the knees should be bent, and we have to open, and then we have to hit 1, 2. Okay. So we'll do this 4 times. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Now when we do this, we have to go back. So we'll go like how? We'll go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 will be stop. Okay. So let's do this again. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Now in this, our hand movements, as you want, you can take it. You can just open, close, open, cross, whatever you want. Okay. So 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Got it? And then after that, we have to take our leg back. Okay. And then close. Now when you take your leg back, you have to move your shoulder and close. Okay. Okay, the last step we finished here. We stand here and then we keep our leg back and 2 times shoulder. 5, 6, 7, go. Keep shoulder, shoulder, and then keep this leg and then take your hands and right leg up, down. Okay, got this? Come on. 5, 6, 7, 6. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay. Now after this, the next goes. The left leg goes in front and close. Right hand rotate like this from your head. And open. Okay. So 5, 6, 7, go. 1 and the leg goes back and hands open. 2. Okay. So let's go. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2. Right. Come on again. 5, 6, 7, 6. 1, 2. Got it? After this, you have to hit your leg. Right, left, right. Okay. We have to hit tuck, tuck, tuck. Okay. So how we see the first step. 5, 6, 7, go. Hit, hit, hit. Okay. So you have to hit 1, 2, 3. Come on again. 5, 6, 7, 6. 1, 2, 3. And then this leg will come up with the hand and 2. Okay. So let's go again. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3. Hit. Pause. Okay. Then after this, hands cross and open. Now with this, we have to walk 1 with the cross hands and 2. Okay, so 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2. Okay, again 5 from here. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Hit, hit. Got it? Now, after this, the left leg and the right leg. Okay, so it should go 1, 2. Okay, 5, 6, 7, go 1 and 2. Now after this, when you come here, your hand goes straight like this. Okay, now the step goes on the right side, on the left leg. You have to take your right leg up. Okay, and you have to just rotate you have to keep your hand on the knee, and then you have to just rotate like this. Okay, how? So you have to keep your hand like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Got it? Let's go. 5, 6, 7, go. Move for me, move for me, move for me. Stop. Okay? Now, so when you rotate your leg, you have to jump on the left, right side. It goes jump, jump, jump. So how it goes on? Left leg jump. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? Then it goes hit on left side. Your right leg should hit, and jump. Okay? How it goes? 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2 and 5, 6 and go. Move for me, move for me, move for me. Hey, hey, hey. And after this goes 5, 6, 7, 8. Hand goes down. It pulls and hit. Okay? Let's do this again. 5, 6, 7, 8. Hit and hit. Okay, after this we'll go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, slide and walk. Okay, so let's do it again from this. Okay, 5, 6, 7, go. Move for me, move for me, move for me. Hey. Okay, after this it goes a little fast. 1, 2, hey. Okay, 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, hey. Now when you do this, okay, you have to tap the leg. Okay, so when you do this, do it a little faster. 5, 6, 7, hey. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, slide and walk.